Hi guys, I will change this one for Hyundai Sonata 2009, and the bottom of look this bottom for this car has a problem, so I will change this. I actually open all screw with a screwdriver. I opened the some shield of this door, and after I take it off, this is new of that, and this is the shield. I just take it off and I will replace with the new I bought in online. I don't want to do any advertising, but I bought online as a I think $15 with tax. I think so. Yeah, I think this one it was $14, $15 something I paid. And that's it. I will fix it, and right now I'm going to install the new part. This bottom, it's a new, and I will fix that, and I will take a picture when I finish it, and I will put in YouTube. All right.